दोस्तों सब्सक्राइब कीजिए मेरे चैनल वीएस का ज्ञान को और मेरे आने वाले वीडियोस को सबसे पहले देखने के लिए प्रेस कीजिए इस छोटी सी घंटी को।
Hello friends, welcome back to my channel VS Gyan. This is my first video I'm gonna post on English because I'm having some friends overseas and they want me to post some videos in English as well. So guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can upgrade your Xg firewall from your Sophos Central. Before continuing further, please subscribe to my channel, like my videos and share it to your friends. As you can see, I'm logged into my Sophos Central dashboard, and from here you need to go at firewall management. Before proceeding, make sure you have taken backup of your firewall firmware. So before the firewall was not added in here. If your firewall is not added in here, select the backup frequency you want to run the backup automatically. So as you can see, I have selected weekly on Friday, and the firewall model, the one I want to take a backup, and saved it. And as you can see, there was no backup before, so I have generated a manual backup in here. And then you can go to the firewall, select the firewall you want to upgrade. So I'll select in here, I'll click on this firewall model, or you can click on here and then schedule update. When you click on here, you will see which are the updates available for this firewall As you can see, there is 18.5.4 which was not upgraded, so I'll upgrade this one first. And there is an option, if you want to upgrade the firewall immediately, just click on immediate and schedule upgrade. So the firewall will start upgrading immediately. And the other option is the one that you want to schedule the firewall upgrade at specific time or a specific day. So you can select the day you want to upgrade the firewall and the timing at which time you want to upgrade this firewall. Select that and schedule upgrade. So this will start, this will upgrade the firewall on the day, on the time which you have mentioned in here. So this is all.